Given the recent trend of AI-generated T-shirts, I became curious about the print quality of T-shirts with designs created by Midjourney. I wanted to determine whether these T-shirts met the necessary standard for a high-quality print. So in this video, I'll show you a couple of T-shirts I have designed using Midjourney and ChatGPT. Hi, I'm Abhinay Jaswal from AI Dynamics. Let's get started. I am excited to showcase some of the most impressive t-shirt designs created with Midjourney AI. These designs are truly unique and demonstrate the impressive capabilities of AI-generated art. I would like to share with you the necessary requirements to prepare any AI art created by Midjourney for printing. These requirements include high-quality image file. The AI-generated artwork should be in high resolution. It can be in any format like JPG, PNG or TIFF. TIFF is regarded as the best for printing. It is important that the resolution of your artwork or image should be at least 300 dpi. Dpi stands for dots per inch. If the image is not of good quality or high resolution, the image will not look crisp and clear on your t-shirts. For example, if you want to print a design that is 12 inches by 16 inches at a resolution of 300 dpi, you would need an image that is 3600 pixel by 4800 pixels, which is 12 inches into 300 dpi is equal to 3600 pixels. 16 inches into 300 dpi is equal to 4800 pixels. You should have the permission to use the artwork, a good printing shop, a good t-shirt fabric. It is important to note that the required pixel dimension may vary according to the specific need of the printing company. So it's always better to consult with them so that your artwork is prepared correctly for the printing. If the image file is of low quality, the final print on the t-shirt may look blurry, pixelated or distorted, which can significantly affect the overall quality of the print. Therefore, it is essential to have the high quality image file to achieve the best possible print quality on the t-shirt. The art generated by Midjourney is 1024 x 1024 pixels, so you need to upscale it using any upscaler whose link has been added in description. T-shirts to sell on various platforms like Amazon, Redbubble and many more. You can generate a kind of passive income from these. But you need to be creative and also you need to check what on the trend. Like some t-shirts, some designs are always on trend. You can check it from a couple of websites whose link I will add in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more contents like this. Also, if you want to know more about the latest Midjourney version, that is version 5, I have explained it in great detail in this video. Be sure to check it out. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.